welcome to Minecrafts. So today we'll be looking on how to do a simple cute heart layout for your scrapbook projects or for your birthday cards or whatever. So you can take any paper of your kind and just cut it into 10 squares of 2 centimeter each. That is, I have taken 2 centimeter squares because I need a bit smaller heart layout. If you need a bigger one, you can go for 3 centimeter square or 5 centimeter or whatever you want. So I am just keeping 6 squares aside, and for the rest 4 I am just cutting it equally diagonally. That is, diagonally I am cutting it into equal parts. And now I arrange it like this horizontally, 4 squares, below that 2 squares, and the other all triangles are arranged in a way that you get a heart shape. So I think it's better that you can roughly arrange it somewhere, and then if it is correct, I mean all the arrangements are correct, then you can take it to your original place where you have to fix it. So here I use my scrapbook which I made for my best friend, and I'm keeping this as the front layout. And you can stick it using double-sided tape. Be careful, because once you stick it, it cannot be taken back if it is wrongly arranged. So if you cannot arrange it like ways, you can keep a scale or ruler, and below that one by one you can arrange, so that you get enough spacing and you get it in a straight line. So you can do it very slowly and carefully. And actually this is a very cute and a simple layout that anyone can just try it out. And you can even add any writings, embellishments or elements, whatever you have about this. So I have used double T because it seems to be like projected, which seems to be good. So rather than gluing it down in a flat layout, I use double tape. So this is it. This is a very short video on how you can do a heart layout for your projects. So please try it out, and for sure you'll love it. So till the next video, thank you.